Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python beginner series. So today we are going to check the presence of an element in the list. In the previous episodes, we have gone through what is list and some exercises regarding the list, its built-in functions and everything related to the list. If you guys missed that episode, I want you to go back and check that and come back here and continue learning from here. So here we are going to check how to So here we are going to learn how to check if a number exists in the list or not. So here's the idea. We'll ask the user to type in a list of numbers, then we'll ask for another number, and finally we'll check if that number is inside the list or not. Sounds easy? Well, it is actually easy. But this small concept is used all the time in real programs. All right, let's write this code together to understand step by step. So, step 1, get user input. So list input equal to input, enter numbers separated by commas, and dot split. I'm separating it right away using the split method. It's separated with comma. Okay. And step 2, take input for the number. What number the user want to check? Okay. So number equal to input, enter a number to check if it's in the list. Okay. So here is where the actual game begins. So blindly type whatever I'm typing here. Later we'll understand what's going on. So check using if else. If number in list input. If there's a number in list input, print the number is in the list. Okay. And also I'm using F strings. I have already made videos, multiple exercises on F strings. So print F string, the number is not in the list. So we took input from the user. For example, I gave 1, 2, 3, and then I gave the number that I want the program to check whether it is there in the list or not. Like for example, 3, if 3 is in the list, if this condition is true, if 3 is in the list, then it will print that the number 3 is in the list. Like for example, if I give 5 as input and the 5 is no, there is no chance that 5 is in the list because we didn't give number 5 in the list. Okay. If the 5 is in the list, then it will check if 5 in list, no, then it is false. Then automatically it will jump here and it will print that the number 5 is not in the list. So this is what going to happen. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 3. The number 3 is in the list. Okay. The number 5 is not in the list. So this is what happens. So what happening here if 5 in list, like in order to check whether the number is, whether the element is in the list or not, you just have to simply use that if number in. So you have to use in what? In list. So in list, if there is a number or not, you are asking the program. So that is how you will do it. So this is just simple syntax to, remember. That is why if you know English, then Python is really easy for you to understand. It is very simple. You see, if number in list, even in English or even when we ask ourselves, we obviously use this syntax in our mind to check in the program. So it will be even easy for us to, remember even when we are, during tracing or when we are running something, when we want to see what's going on there. This syntax is really easy to remember. So that's why Python is really, fast and easy to learn language, I could say. So I will explain once again. So when we use dot split, so it takes the input like 1, 2, 3 and turns it into a list of items like this. 1, 2, 3. Then we ask the user the number to check. One more number to check. Finally, we use a simple if-else statement. If the number is inside the list, then it will print yes, it is there, else no, not found. And that's it. We just built a simple program that checks if something exists inside a list or not. Believe me, this is kind of the logic you'll use a lot as you get better in Python. All right, friends, before you go, let me ask you this. If this tiny program made you smile even once, or if you learned something new today, imagine how much more you learn if you stick around. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button like you're pressing enter in Python, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss the next program we build together. Keep coding, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!